Modern life is certainly full of stressors, and to survive without going cuckoo, it's important to stay calm and realize that things might not be as bad as they seem. But look, if you need a little help, that's okay. I found some non-toxic plants that just might be the answer. Okay, before we get to the plants, there are plenty of ways to reduce your stress. For instance, stop watching the news. Exercise. Meditate. And be grateful. Look, those are all great, but sometimes you need a little more help, and that's where adaptogens come in. Adaptogens are non-toxic plants that help your body handle stress. Some can be eaten as part of a meal or taken in supplement form. Others can be brewed as tea. It's new, right? No, it's been used for centuries in Chinese healing. By the way, if we haven't met, my name's Steve Stearns, and I help men and women over 40 look and feel their best naturally. By making small changes that have a big impact, I help you create a healthy lifestyle you'll love. So visit me at stevestearns365.com. Okay, back to the video. So how do they work? When you're under stress, your adrenal system goes into overdrive. It's believed that adaptogens tweak hormone production and your physiological response to stress, the same way a baby fawn can calm a high-strung artist. So what about side effects? As with any supplement, you want to consult with your doctor before taking adaptogens. To soothe the effects of long-term stress, try ashwagandha or Asian ginseng, shown here. For acute stress and anxiety, Siberian ginseng is the way to go. It's also great for boosting your immune system, physical stamina, and sexual health. Rhodiola is believed to improve energy, physical performance, and memory. So there you have it. If you want some additional help staying stress-free, adaptogens might be for you. Look, if you want to know more about adaptogens, because this was pretty short, I'll leave a link to a comprehensive study in the description below. Hey, if you got value, like, share, and subscribe.